What's up, everybody? Just wanted to make a video today of putting my new Traeger grill together. I got this thing for Christmas. I'm really excited about it. I've been waiting a couple weeks to put it together just because, one, it's been snowing, and two, I haven't gotten a good cover for it yet, and that just came in the mail yesterday. So I'm ready to put it together, and let's go ahead and get started. So this is the Traeger Bronson 20 pellet grill. Like I said, I got it for Christmas, and it's been sitting in my garage for a couple weeks as I get ready to put it together. And now's the time, today is the day. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm really excited to use this thing. It looks really, really nice, and it's gonna be a whole new ballgame for grilling, especially when it's springtime and we're using the grill a lot. So the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is go ahead and read the instruction manual. Very important, so we don't mess anything up. And we'll go through the major steps to get it together. So the first thing that I'm noticing as I unbox this thing is, this is quality. This is really nice. It looks like it's really good quality materials. It looks like it's gonna hold up to time and weather and the elements. So again, really excited. Let's keep going. Okay, assembly's all done here. Again, it looks like it's super good quality. I'm really excited to have this. I'm really excited to get cooking with it. And now it's time to get it up on the deck and finish setting it up. It's got to go through an initial firing process, and just follow the instructions and you're good to go. One thing that I did notice was when I put the legs on, these nuts on the other side here on the inside, I did go around a couple times to make sure that they were nice and tight, nice and snug. But other than that, it was really easy to put together, really nice. It looks like it's super good quality, and it's going to be a lot of fun come spring when we're grilling and smoking meats here. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content of me using the grill and what I'm going to cook on here, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And you'll see those links in the description below. And until next time, we will see ya.